guys, so I already applied my moisturizer and my 2 primers. I'm going to be listing all my products below, but today I'm going to start with showing you how I color correct. I'm using the Aurora liquid color corrector in Pistachio. I got this from Ipsy. I'm just going to be applying it on my blemishes, any red spots that I see on my face. I really like the color of this, but I'm not too sure how I like the actual product. Whenever I go to blend it, sometimes it gets very flaky. You have to blend it as soon as you apply it, basically. But the color is really nice, and it really does color correct the red spots on your face. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend with my finger, making sure that I have no flakiness before I apply anything else. My boyfriend distracts me throughout this video, so I apologize ahead of time, So this is actually my first time using the Fenty foundation. I absolutely love it. It blends so nice into my face. I'm just going to use a little bit. You don't need a lot at all. And I'm applying it with my Flawless Buffer. These brushes are from AROSE Beauty. And I got them for Christmas. They're awesome, they're super soft, and they're beautiful. They have a nice rose gold color on them. I'm just going to blend everything. And throughout this video, I'm not going to tell you every brush that I use, but I will put everything below, so don't worry. Now I'm going to go ahead with my brows. This is a cool brow pencil that I got from Ipsy. I don't remember the name of it right now, but it's a nice chocolate brown color, so it matches perfectly with my hair. So I just do little strokes upwards, making sure that my arch is nice.
Yes.
What?
Said yes.
Just looking at you. Yes.
There he goes, distracting me again. But yeah, just making sure the front of my brow is really blended there so I don't have any bald spots, and making sure I don't drop it. Whoops. So now I'm going to start contouring my face with powders. So I'm going to, I really need a new contour palette. I know it's disgusting looking. This is one that I've had for a really long time, but I'm going to take my banana color. You can use any contour palette here. It's really the banana color that I'm using. So as long as you have that color, you can go ahead and follow what I'm doing. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, on my forehead, down my nose, on my chin, but I'm also going to really set those 2 pimples that I have on my mouth so that you can't see them at all. So this bronzer is one of my favorite bronzers I've ever used. It's from Tarte. I also got it from Ipsy a little while ago. It's a waterproof bronzer, and it has the perfect shimmer. It stays on all day. I highly recommend it. I'm just going to apply that on my cheekbones, making sure everything looks so sharp. And just look at that. It's just so pigmented. It's so shimmery. It's beautiful. I'm just going to take my brush and blend it upwards as well. Just kind of frame your face. When you do your cheekbones, always go up, frame your face, frame your forehead a little bit. It gives you a slimmer look. I also, what you see here, I'm applying it to my jawline. I like my jawline to look nice and sharp. And always blend down. You don't want your neck to have those brown blotches on them. But I'm also applying it on my nose, contouring my nose a little bit, making sure my nose looks nice and straight. Again, make sure that's very, very blended. You don't want your nose to be the darkest part on your face. So now I'm going to add some blush. This blush is beautiful. It's got the perfect shimmer, the perfect color for my skin tone. I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks and blend it up. have this palette my boyfriend got me for Christmas because Lilo and Stitch is my favorite. I absolutely love it. But I'm going to take the color Sand and just apply it on the lid. Just as kind of like, it's so pigmented, it's beautiful. So this is the Kylie holiday palette from a little while ago. I don't remember the date she released this, but I'm going to take the color Silent Night and apply it to the outer corners of my eye. The thing with her dark colors is they come out a little blotchy, so if you see, I'm going to be putting a lot of layers onto that color so that it looks super blended. And I'm also using a couple different brushes to make sure it's really, really blended out. So when you blend the outer corner, you don't want to blend all the way into the inner corner of your eye. I'm just kind of going halfway. So it's going to make your eyes pop, make it look bigger. I'm also going to take the same shade and go underneath. So the Balm Voyage, this is an awesome highlight shade for your eyes. I'm going to take this brush and just put it in the inner corners and on my brow bone. So this is an eyeliner that I've been using for years, Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner. Wings are kind of my specialty. I love doing wings. So I'm just going to kind of start by creating the base of the line just so that I can have an outline. And then I drag it inwards. And then you just kind of follow your lid. Thinner on the inner corner, thicker on the outer corner. And it's easier for me to start with that line and then drag it in. It just kind of creates a shape, and then you can fill it in afterwards, obviously, but it's easier for me to create the wing shape first and then fill it in. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I use two different mascaras. You'll see the first one right now and then the second one a little later on. I don't use fake eyelashes. To be quite honest, I'm not really good at putting them on. I also really like my natural lashes, so I just use mascaras that make my lashes look longer because my lashes are already really thick. So now I'm going to be using this eyeliner and just kind of putting it on the upper waterline of my lid. More mascara. So this is what I got for my birthday from Sephora. It's a lip liner in a lipstick, and it's called Bite. But I really, really like this shade. I'm so into like nude and pink colors when it comes to my lips. So this is the liner, and it's also kind of like a crayon type thing. So you could also use it on its own. You don't need to use it as just a liner. But here I'm going to use it as a liner. So I'm just going to make sure that my lips are completely lined. I'm going to now go in with the lipstick. The lipstick is a shade darker than the liner, which is weird to me. But hey, I'm just trying it out. It's a really nice pink. It's got a cool little shine to it. Now I'm going to highlight with my favorite highlighter ever. Look at that, it's so pretty. So shimmery. So I use a smaller brush at first, and I just highlight above my lip with it. And then also the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. And then I use the bigger brush and I do my cheekbone. I always put a lot on my cheekbone. I love that shimmer. So there you go. This is my final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know below if you would like me to do anything specific. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.